Dear friends, in this video I am going to guide you how to do trading. For trading, you need to click on this tailor button. At bottom of the screen, you can notice these buttons like My, Order, Tailor and Home. So just click on this tailor button. This is your trading screen. In this screen, you can notice the current gold price, and then there is in time, which is 180 second or 300 second. You can select either. In case of 180 second, your profit and loss will depend on gold price after 180 second. In case of 300 second, it will depend on gold price after 300 second. Then you can select the amount, which can be 1000, 10,000 or any given option. Whatever amount you choose, you can add it or decrease it. For example, I have selected 10,000 and then clicked on this plus sign. Means 10,000 into 2, that is 20,000. I can make it 30,000, 40,000 and likewise. Similarly, by clicking on minus sign, it can be decreased. For example, I have selected 1000 and then made it 3000. By clicking on minus sign, it can decrease. So select whatever amount you want to trade and then click either on booking or buyback. In case of booking, you will earn if price will rise. In case of buyback, you will earn if price will drop. For example, if current price is 18330 and I click on buyback, in that case I will earn if price drop from this amount to any amount lesser than this after the end time, which can be either 180 second or 300 second. If I choose booking, then I will earn if price is higher than this after the end time, which again can be 180 second or 300 second depending on my selection. So let's assume I selected 180 second and then going to click on booking. It means I will earn if price will rise after 180 second, and since I have chosen booking, there will be profit. So just select your quantity, choose your in time and click either booking if you think price going to rise and buyback if you think price going to drop. So if I click booking, I need to click on OK and then confirm. After that, I just need to wait 180 second because I have selected 180 second as in time and see whether price has increased or not. In case of increase, I will earn because I have selected booking. Thank you.